Hello everyone. Now we need to secure your hair from the middle partition and then roll them further in this way to make it look even more beautiful. Now here we can roll them further and then join them further in this manner with the help of rubber band and then secure with the help of some decorative clutches. Now here roll and twist and tangle your hair further in this way to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. You can just take this one made like this and then secure them beautifully in this manner. Join them together like this and get it beautifully done up in this way. So what I'm going to do, we're going to do the splits like this and then roll them further to the end and we are going to make this happen. So what I'm going to do here, you have to get the hair partition, split them up in this manner and get it rolled further and then join them with the help of these clutches and you are going to make this happen. You need to again roll it further and get it beautifully entangled in this way. You want to make the braids like this and then join them further in this manner. This is beautiful. You have to just get the hair in this manner and get it done beautifully. Further, you need to just get it in and then securing it in this manner and then roll it further like this. This is gonna look amazing. You will tie them up in this way to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. You need to join them together.